Okay, so this is a short tutorial on how to screen record on Mac with external and internal audio. So using Quicktime. So here we'll click on the Quicktime Player application. And what you get, you see, you get once the application opens up, on the file, you click on file, and you have three options: movie recording, audio, or screen recording. So you click on new screen recording, and once this window opens up, before you record, you want to make sure that you select your audio source. So you have options: built-in digital, built-in line input, or if you have microphones connected to your computer via USB. In my case, I have a webcam, a USB webcam, and so this is the device that I'm using for my microphone. So that's selected, and then you will be able to tell on the level from the recording. That lets you know that the microphone actually functions. So once you are satisfied with your setting, you click on the record, and then it gives you an option. If you click on it, it will record the whole screen. However, if you want to select a particular part of your screen, you drag it. Let's say I only wanted to record this portion. Okay, and I click on start recording. Right, and as soon as it starts recording, you will see a circle with a dot in the center. Okay, indicating that the recording has started. And once you've finished recording, you'll click on that circle, and then you will get basically the video that opens up. Right, and as soon as you start recording, you will see a circle with a dot in the center. Okay, and then you'll be you definitely want to save it. So you click on save, and then it asks you where do you want to save, and of course you want to make sure that you select a folder, or that you create a folder if need be, specifically so that you can find your video, your recording afterwards. Okay. All right. So basically, so this is how you record your screen with Quicktime. Again, once you select the new screen recording, you want to make sure that you select which microphone, whether or not you're going to use a built-in microphone from your computer, whether it's if it's a laptop, you have built-in microphone. If it's a desktop, usually you have to connect an input, a microphone to it. So in this case, I'm using a desktop. So, however, I have my webcam. I'm using the microphone from my webcam to record this tutorial. Okay. All right. So it for this tutorial on how to screen record on Mac with internal and external audio using QuickTime.